first program. Okay, so as I have told you, you should make a notebook for writing all these programs so that you will have the programs with you in your books. Okay, so now you can see I have written some code here. So this is the first line, that is nothing but the comment. A comment is written like this in an HTML program. Okay, so we will see the whole program. So the things that you need for doing the program, as I have told you, you can look here. I have first of all make made a folder. Okay, you can see this HTML programs. This is a folder which I have created, and in this folders I am going to save all the programs which we will be doing. Okay, so make a folder like this and give it a name as HTML programs or anything you like. Okay, so that you could find. I have made this folder on the desktop only. Okay, then you will require a notepad file. Okay, so all of you know how to open notepad in Windows. Go to start menu, then here you can see notepad. Okay, or you can type notepad here also. You can see it is appearing here up above. Okay, so there are many ways to access the notepad. I have told you how to access the notepad in the last lecture also. Okay, the last lecture of HTML programming, we have seen how to access the notepad file. Okay, so now I am going to do what, I will just copy this code. Okay, all of you will write the code. Okay, they will not copy the code. Okay, I am going to copy this code and going to paste it. Okay, so this code is now pasted in our notepad file. Okay, you can see that. So all of you will write the code, and then what are you going to do is, so this is our code. You will do the coding by saying the video right now only. Please do the program right now. Pause the video and do it. Okay, one by one. You can do the coding. You can make a small window of your video screen just like this. I have made a small window of the, you can make a small window of your video player also. If you are using VLC, you can make a small window, any video player. Make the size small and then write, open the notepad and write the code. Okay, all of you. So the first line is the comment. Okay, then the second line is the doc type HTML. Doc type HTML is nothing but a tag which is used to show the web browser that this code is an HTML code. Okay, so the web browser understands that this code is an HTML code, and it will provide the resources to run this code. Okay, all the resources to run this code. We cannot write this doc HTML. Okay, means it is not compulsory to write it, but I will prefer that all of you should write it because it is a good practices in industries also. Okay, then I have written the HTML tag. The body tag, all of you know, in body tag we write what, heading h1 tag. I am using heading, my first heading. Okay, then I have made a paragraph, first paragraph. In my paragraph I have written my first paragraph. P tag closed. This is h1 tag. My first heading h1 closed. Paragraph tag, my first paragraph, P tag closed. Body closed, HTML closed. Once again I am going to tell all of you what are the contents. Look here. First of all, this is an comment. Okay. The comment is given by angle brackets opening, then exclamatory mark, then dash dash. Then I have written 01 because we should know that it is program number 1. My first HTML program, I have written a comment, my first HTML program, then comment closed. Then I have written doc type HTML. Okay, then I have written an HTML opening tag. Then I have written a body tag opening. Okay, body contains heading. Okay, so heading I have used h1 heading. There are heading tags h1 to h6. So h1 will produce the largest heading. Okay, my first heading. I have written the content as my first heading. Then I have used a paragraph tag p, my first paragraph. I have written only a single line. You can write as many lines as you want and then close the paragraph tag by this. Okay, slash p. Then I have closed the body tag. Okay, here is the body tag opening and here is the body tag closing, and then I have closed the HTML tag. Okay, all of you have understood. I have made it very simple. Okay, all of you please follow the steps and write the code right now only. Then what we will do, we want to save the file. Now I will go to file. Then what we will do to save the file, save as. If we are saving the file for the first time, we will use save as. Okay, then already my folder name is present here. Okay, then you have to select the folder name if it is not present here. Okay, and then what you will do, you will write I am going to save it as 01 dot my first prog program. Okay, dot html, my first program dot html. I am going to save it in this format. Save. Okay, so here you can see 01 my first program dot, this was not present previously. You can go back to the video. Okay, the previous steps you can go back reverse. Okay, and you can see it is this, previously it was untitled and now it has a title 01 my first program dot html. So our file has a title now. Okay, now I will minimize the screen and we will see that this is our folder and it is containing my first program dot html file. Okay, so now if you want to see the output, what you will do, you will only click here and now you are going to see the result. So you can see my first heading. Okay, so I have opened the code and here is the output and here is the code. Okay, so you can see h1 my first heading, this is displayed like this, my first heading, you can see this. Okay, in bold letters. Then the paragraph, you can see the paragraph, my first paragraph. Okay, my first paragraph. So all of you have understood up to this. Okay, please do it right now. Okay, so for the first program we have seen or got the output like this. Okay, this was the output. Now we will go to see or we will perform the second program. Now we will see second program. So the second program is for headings. Okay, you know the headings in HTML, they are from h1 to h6. Okay, so now we will see this program. I am going to copy this code. You have to write the code. Okay, you will not copy the code from anywhere. Okay, so I am going to open this notepad. We have saved or done this first program. Okay, now I am going to file, then I am taking new file. Okay, now this is also an important concept. If you have done a program right now, okay, if you have written a program, now you want to do the second program, now go to file menu, in that select new and it will open the new file. Okay, now you can see untitled notepad, so this is an untitled new file. Okay, so now I am going to copy my program, but you will type it. Okay, you have to type the code. So this is the comment program for headings in HTML. Again, here is the doc type HTML, then HTML opening tag. Okay, then HTML body tag, then these are the headings. So I have used heading h1, heading h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. This is heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 5, this is heading 6. Okay, so these are the 6 headings, and close the body and close the HTML. So now you one thing I want to tell you again, this is the HTML opening tag. Then in the body tag I am going to write the program, and again then in the body tag will be closed and the HTML tag will be closed. So in this way you will have to write the HTML program. In the body tag the main content of your HTML web page is there. Okay, so now I am going to save this file as, save as, you have to click, and I will save this as heading heading dot html. Okay, now this is heading dot html program and I am going to save it. So I am now going to minimize this file, again opening the folder. Now you can see headings.html is there. Okay, so I'm going to click it, so it will run. Okay, so this kind of output I want all of you, when I'm saying that, or when I'm giving you assignments, you have to write the code in the notepad and then run the program. Okay, so you have to take the image, okay, or the screenshot of your output as well as the program. You have to take the program code screenshot and the output screenshot, and you have to upload that in your assignments. Okay, all of you should do it for completing the assignments. And those who are not having laptops or desktops, they will write in their notebooks the output as well as the program. So here is our program, and these are our headings. This is heading 1. So heading 1 is displayed like this. You can see this is heading 1. Okay, it is the largest one. Now this is h2 heading 2. This is displayed like this is heading 2. Okay, then this is heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 5, and this is heading 6. So all the headings are displayed smaller and smaller, you can see. Okay, so this is our second program. Now we will see the third program. Okay, so this was the second program, the output for the second program. Here I have also given the output. Okay, you can see the output here. Now the third program, the third program is for paragraphs. Paragraph, all of you know, in the HTML web page we can write, or you have seen many content or sentences that are written for any information. Okay, so in this way a paragraph program can be written. So I am going to copy this code. Okay, going to notepad again. So in notepad what we will do, again notepad file, this is our headings program. I have given the heading, so now you can see heading.html. Now I am going to file the new, you have to type the program. Okay, so this is our program for paragraphs, doc html, html body. Okay, then this is our paragraph tag. All of this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. Close the body, close the html. Okay, now what we will do, we will again save the program as paragph dot html. Okay, and then save. Okay, so now we will again see the folder. Here it is, paragraph.html. I am going to click it and run it. So this is the output, this is the paragraph and this is another paragraph. Again the notepad file, so you have to take the screenshot of the output. This one is the output and the program. Okay, so this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. You can see the output. This is another paragraph and this is a paragraph. Okay, we have saved it, so the name is paragraph.html. Now we will see next program. Okay, the next program is, I have given the output here also. So the next program is program number 4, program for hyperlinks in HTML. So again I am going to copy this program. Hyperlinks means you will click a link and you will be redirected to another page. Okay, so that are hyperlinks. In many web pages there are hyperlinks. So again we will take a new file. I will paste the program. Okay, then here you can see for hyperlinks, first HTML doc type is HTML, then HTML tag opening, then body tag, then I have used the h2 heading tag HTML links. Okay, then hyperlinks are also called as HTML links. Okay, then I have written a paragraph. HTML links are defined with a tag. A tag means the tag which is used to generate a hyperlink. Okay, so we use the a tag, you can see. So here is an example. I have written the a tag, then href is the keyword or attribute used for hyperlink. Href is equal to https, you have to write the full https colon slash slash www.google.com in inverted commas. Okay, this will be in double inverted commas, then angle bracket close. Then you have to write this text, this is a link, and slash a tag, close the a tag, then close the body tag and close the HTML. So this is a link. This will be displayed in your web page, not this. This hyperlink will not be displayed in your web page, but this is a link will be displayed in your web page, and you have to click this text. So it will redirect you to this google.com. Okay, so we'll see how it is run. Now again we will save this file in with save as. I will give the name hyperlink dot html. Okay, and then save. So we will see it is saved or not. So here is it is hyperlink. I will click it. So you can see HTML links. HTML links are defined with a tag. I have written a heading. HTML links are defined with tag. We will see the program also. Here it is. First the h2 heading. HTML links. This is the h2 heading. HTML links. Okay. It is in h2 tag. Heading h2 tag. Then I have used a paragraph. HTML links are defined with the HTML tag. HTML links are defined with HTML tag. Okay, this is the paragraph tag, and then this is a link. Okay, so in the a tag you can see ahref is equal to https colon slash slash www.google.com, and then this is a link. This text is actually displayed here. Okay, and this text is containing this link. Okay, this link. So this text is representing this link, and when we will click this text, okay, it will redirect us to google.com. Okay, it will redirect us to google.com. Okay, so now when I am going to click this link, it will redirect us to google.com. We will see. Okay, I am now going to look here. I am now going to click this link, and here we are in google.com. Again I am going to I am closing this. We have only three tabs here. First, my first program, second is my heading.html, third is HTML paragraph, our is the hyperlink program. Okay, again we will have to run it. So now I'm going to click this is a link, and here we are getting Google page. So for getting the link we should be connected to the internet. Okay, if you want to get the link or go to the link, you should be connected to the internet. Okay, again I am going to show you. Okay, so it is mandatory that you are linked or connected with the internet. Okay, so today we have done these 4 programs. You can see my first program, then heading, then paragraph, and last one is the hyperlink. Okay, so all of you please do these 4 programs today.